when you search for the difference between 이가 and 은는, you would have faced these kinds of explanations. 이가 are used to indicate the subject, and 은는 are used to indicate the topic. But did that explanation make you understand it enough? Even I, a 100% native Korean, can't understand that explanation. I've never thought like that when using 이가 and 은는. So in this video, I will let you know how Korean native speakers actually use 이가 and 은는. Alright then, let's get into today's video. Using this image, I'll make you perfectly understand how different 이가 and 은는. What can you see in this image? Right, the woman is singing. But in Korean, we can say both 여자가 노래 부르고 있어요 or 여자는 노래 부르고 있어요. But what's the difference? When you say 여자가 노래 부르고 있어요, native Korean speakers come up with this image. Simply put, the image of 이가 is emphasizing something. I will say 여자가 노래 부르고 있어요 in English like this. The person who is singing is the woman. It's so simple, right? On the other hand, when you say 여자는 노래 부르고 있어요, native Korean speakers come up with this image. Simply put, the image of 은는 is being separated from others. And for this reason, 은는 have two slightly different nuances at the same time. One, independent of other things, people, etc. Two, unlike other things, people, etc. But how can you use those two different meanings in real conversation? It's also simple. Like this image, if you don't know what other people are doing but know at least the woman is singing, 여자는 노래 부르고 있어요 that comes from your mouth means independent of other people, the woman is singing. But like this image, if you already know other people aren't singing but the woman is singing, 여자는 노래 부르고 있어요 that comes from your mouth means unlike other people, the woman is singing. For your information, it's generally okay to understand 은는 as independent of other things, people, etc. Because in many cases, we usually don't know what other things are like. For example, it's natural to understand 저는 학생이에요 as independent of other people, I'm a student. More specifically, I don't know about what other people are, but at least I'm a student. But when a speaker already knows something is different from other things, it's natural to understand 은는 as unlike other things, like this. 사과 5개 샀어요. 그런데 이것은 썩었어요. In this situation, the speaker knows the other 4 apples aren't rotten. So, 그런데 이것은 썩었어요 means, but unlike other apples, this one is rotten. Even though understanding 은는 is quite tricky, it'll be okay if you remember the image of being separated from others. At this point, if you think my explanation is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Anyway, for your better understanding of the difference between 이가 and 은는, let's practice some sentences with another image. Try to fill in the blank with 이가 or 은는. For your information, 이 and 은 are used when the nouns end with a consonant, and 가 and 는 are used when the noun ends with a vowel. Alright then, let's get started. If you watched this video so far, you probably understood the difference between 이가 and 은는. If I have made myself clear with the explanations about today's topic, please let me know by your comment. And if you liked this video, please check the pinned comment of this video too. It'll also help you. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and I'll be back soon with effective, sustainable, fun Korean learning tips. Have a nice day.